Yo, good morning guys. It is Monday morning, the first Monday of the summer holidays, might I add. The kids are currently playing FIFA. I'll just let you have a look. There you go. You enjoying it, boys?
Yeah.
Right, Imogen's currently having a nap, but when she wakes up we're either going to go have a kick around or go for a walk in the woods. We haven't done that for a while, and I haven't taken you lot with me, so that should be good. I think I'd rather do that and then maybe have a kick around after that. Hey guys, so we're off into town now after a massive shower, well, a little downpour, a bit of a thunderstorm. We're going to get some lunch, so I'm not sure if we're going to be able to play any football or go for a walk today, but we shall see. Yeah, so now we're out playing football. We're having fun. Oh yeah, I just tackled the man again, come on. What's the matter, look. Imogen's scared of the old grass cutter and now it's raining. Oh no, rain spoils play everyone, look at all that rain. We're off. Come on. We're under a tree. Get Imogen's bike, Ad. Oh no. It's raining, Imogen, isn't it? Imogen's still rocking shades though. Oh no. Hopefully it might just be a shower. So as you can see, we're all soaked. Well, Imogen, you okay? Yeah, Imogen's still trying to ride her bike, but
I'm okay.
everyone's alright.
But I'm not in the first.
It's not cold rain anyway, is it? Right, go on then, go round. Be careful, because it might be slippery.
Yeah. I'm wearing.
Yeah, go on then. Yeah. Right, maybe we'll go out if it stops. Looks like we're in for some more thundery showers, guys. Look at that cloud. Boom. Madness. Awesome. Sorry about my hand in the way there. Alright people, still a bit bright for some lightning, but it's very stormy out there.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
It's raining.
Oh, it's getting heavier, guys. Whoa! The storm is pretty intense now, guys. Awesome. Love it.
I hate the rain.
Awesome, guys. Look at that. Proper storm. That's what you call a proper storm, boys and girls. Yeehaw! Woo! Wow. Hopefully I don't drop this thing out the window. I'm gripping onto it with all my might. One of the plus benefits of being on the 7th floor, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa! I'm thinking about getting a GoPro next Friday. Imagine if I had that right now. How awesome would that be? Whoa, madness. That's like full on hailstoning now. Whoa. What? You can't even see anything out there. Look at that. What? Oh my lord. Ah, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. Gotta pause the filming. Yeah! I'm starting to gain a bit of a view now. Whoa! Bit of lightning there. Yeah, proper thunder. I'm going to leave it at that. That was a good bit of thunder because my hands getting really wet now. So guys, what did you think about that little storm? Did you like it, Ad?
Yeah, I really liked it.
Did you like it, Ad?
No.
Why? What don't you like about it?
The thunder and rain.
Yeah, but what about it? Why don't you like it?
Because the rain spitted and the thunder really banged really loud.
What did you like about it, Ad?
I liked about it when it all spitted and when it all spitted and when it all thundered and when the fog drazed over the thunder and the rain.
Yeah, what are you saying? It's getting quite late now. It's about 9:15 in the evening. Well, it's not too late, I suppose, but I'm going to edit this vlog in about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to do that, sit and watch some TV, maybe chat to some bird that I know. You know who you are. You do. Yes, you do. No, I'm only messing. But yeah, after the storm, it's have quite a nice sky. Let's have a look. Here we go. Look. Can we zoom in? Yeah, look at that sky. Beautiful. Awesome sky, that. You like that? Just get a panoramic view for you. Look at that. This is my area. This is my hood. Yeah. I reckon that sunset shot right there is going to be the thumbnail. Has to be. Thumbnail for this vlog? Yeah. Why not? I'm playing some FIFA 12. I know, and you'll be like, but FIFA 13's out, why ain't you playing FIFA 13? Well, I ain't got FIFA 13, alright? Because I don't really play FIFA as it goes anyway, but I've just been playing my old mate Jake, and he's supposed to be like, well good, like shit hot, but he ain't that good, unless I'm just more than average for a noob at FIFA maybe. That could be the case, you never know. But I might play a bit more, and if I start to enjoy it, I may get FIFA 13, but is it worth it? When's FIFA 14 out? If anyone knows when FIFA 14's out, let me know and tell me if I should wait for that or not. But otherwise, I might get FIFA 13 if I carry on liking this FIFA 12. But, oh yeah, just in case you guys ain't aware that do watch me, let's go around in a circle. Just in case you guys are not aware, if you do watch me, if you're a sub of mine, I do have a Facebook fan page. Yeah, I do. So if you wouldn't mind, go like that. That'll be awesome. It's Facebook, obviously, /LeePiroth2, the same as my YouTube channel. So you'll find me on there. Go drop me a like. I'll hugely appreciate it. And you could even write a little message on the wall just to say that you're a new liker. That'll be great too. And I'm getting so dizzy at the moment, so I'm going to leave it at that. Peace out, good night, be careful.